Let's welcome all the students here. In today's class, we are going to discuss another fine article. This article comes under Chapter 4, Gender Roles. Under the Chapter 4, Gender Roles, our third lesson is Sex, and Conversation, why men and women can't communicate. In this article, the writer has discussed about the cross-cultural differences in the way of male use of language and female use of language. This article was written by Deborah Tannen, a well-known professor of linguistics at Georgetown University. So in the present article, the writer explores cross-cultural differences in the ways females and males use language and frustration these differences cause when women and men converse. When women and men converse, they have having a conversation. Women use the language, the way of a woman use language, the way of men use language, they are slightly different there. The writer Tannen has discussed in this article. Here, the writer's basic contention, that is consideration, is that females use language to make connection and foster intimacy, whereas males use language to preserve independence and negotiate status. What does this mean? This means that female always use language to develop connection, to develop good friendship, good brotherhood, and foster intimacy. But on the other side, male use language to show their independence, just for the sake of negotiation. Male use such types of language there. Here, Deborah Tannen has described. According to the Tannen, females use language to negotiate intimacy. Here, what we can learn, female use the language that develop intimacy. Language helps women share feelings, make connection, and create a sense of closeness and harmony. One point you need to know here, especially female use the language to develop a sense of closeness and harmony. But on the other hand, male tends to use language to preserve independence. Especially male, they want to show their status. Okay, they want to show their independency while using their language. Language helps men remain the center of attention. They like to face each and every types of challenges and compete with others and demonstrate knowledge and verbal agility. Such kind of behaviors we see in the language of the men. And here, the writer Tannen means that although people like to see themselves as unique individual, they are always a product of their culture. Definitely, there are cross-cultural differences. Look at male's culture, look at female's culture. Although they are living in the same culture, but they have different differences. They have differences in the way of using their language. Males use of language and females use of language. The writer has discussed the idea here in this article by Deborah Tannen. So that is the summary of this article, Sex and Conversation. So in this article, one professor discuss and explores cross-cultural differences in the ways females and males use language. Okay, here we see that you got the content. This is the summary of this article. So in this article, that is Tannen talks about the females use language to negotiate intimacy. You need to know language helps women share feelings, make connection, and create a sense of closeness and harmony. Similarly, on the other side, males tend to use language to preserve independence and negotiate their status. Language helps men remain the center of attention. It shows, that is Tannen discuss such idea in this article. Then here Tannen means that although people like to see themselves as unique individual, they are always a product of their culture. In order to avoid misunderstanding, conflict, and other problems, men and women need to be aware of gender differences in the language use. It shows there is a gender differences in the use of language in communication. In your communication style, there is a differences. It shows here. Then here the pen points Deborah Tannen discuss that how contact is made between two people during a conversation, support and advice that is given or not given during a conversation, how men and women have grown up with different types of communication with the same and opposite sexes, although they are discussing about the same context, but their way of using language, their way of talking, their way of communication is different there. Okay, here Deborah Tannen I describe using some points there. Especially in the third point, how men and women have grown with different types of communication with the same and opposite sex. Is saying that men and women have different ways of communication. They are communicating with different ways with each other based on how they are used to communicating. It shows their gender differences, that is cross culture differences in the use of male language, in the use of female language. That is the idea there. And then we have one more question here. The question is that according to Tannen, what are the major differences in the ways female and males use language? It shows, according to Tannen, the major differences in the ways female and male use language are that female use language to negotiate intimacy. Language helps women share feelings, make connection, and create a sense of closeness and harmony. In contrast, males tend to use language to preserve independence and negotiate their status. Language helps men remain the center of attention, challenge and compete with others, and demonstrate knowledge and verbal agility. So, for this answer, you can go through the summary as well. The answer of this question is based on the summary. Students, we are at the end of our class. I hope you got the concept. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can ask there. Hope to meet you in our next session, in our next class. See you. Take care.